Should the executor pay the heirs or beneficiaries before the creditors? After the death of a loved one, family members are often eager to get their inheritance. If you are the executor, they may contact you repeatedly asking for their share. So the question is, should you give them some money to keep them happy until you finish administering the estate? Let's talk about it. Creditors are entitled to be paid before estate property is distributed to the heirs. Taxes have first priority. Next, the executor must pay any funeral and burial or cremation expenses, and expenses of the final illness, and then other debts. If you make distributions to heirs or beneficiaries too early, you may find the estate does not have sufficient cash to pay those expenses and debts, which must be paid first. You can try to get the distributions back from the heirs or beneficiaries, but they may have spent them or they may refuse to return them. To raise cash to pay expenses and debts, you may have to sell estate property that the decedent intended for his or her heirs or beneficiaries. If the estate has no assets to sell, creditors may pursue you, both individually and as the executor, for payment. The most prudent policy is to pay all creditors before making distributions to heirs or beneficiaries.